warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Who is absent today? Alma?
Present.
Sophie?
Present.
Okay. Last week we discussed about
Imperative sentence.
imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Ada yang tahu? Raise your hand.
Kalimat perintah.
Kalimat perintah. Who know the pattern of imperative sentence last week? Alma.
Plus object. Verb plus object.
Verb
Plus object.
plus object. Okay. Give the example of imperative sentence. Sophie,
The door.
close the door and then
Wash your hand.
wash
Your hand.
your
Hand.
hand. Okay. Remember
Yes.
today we still discuss about imperative sentence in terms of procedure text.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will ask you, have you ever make something?
Yes.
What is it?
Make a tea.
Make a tea. Okay. What is the ingredient atau bahan-bahan to make a tea?
Tea.
Tea,
Hot water.
hot water,
Sugar.
sugar. Okay. Do you know the step by step to make a tea? Or langkah-langkah membuat teh?
Yes.
Yes. Can you mention it, Alma?
Teh dimasukkan ke dalam gelas.
And then,
Dikasih gula.
Terus
dikasih air panas, ma'am.
Oke, seperti itulah procedure text. Jadi apa itu procedure text?
Cara membuat sesuatu.
Cara membuat sesuatu, terus betul itu cara membuat sesuatu. Betul. Oke. Procedure text is a text that show how to make something or how to do something, how operate something, how create something. Jadi teks yang menunjukkan langkah-langkah step by step-nya, instruction-nya, like that.
Yes.
In procedural text, there are purpose. The purpose of procedural text is
To tell the reader how to do or make something.
to tell the reader how to do or make something, how to create something, how to operate something, like that. In procedural text, there are three generic structure. The first is goal, and then the second
Materials.
material. The last step. What is goal? Ayo, goal apa?
How to make.
How to make. Misalnya how to make pizza, how to make noodle, like that. For material, it can be ingredients, tools, kitchen utensil, equipment, like that. For example, if you want to make tea, you need a tea, hot water, sugar. It is the material or ingredient.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
And then for the last is step, the final instruction. Jadi langkah-langkahnya. Paham?
Yes.
Okay. In procedural text, there are language features that use in the procedural text. The first is
Imperative sentence.
imperative sentence. Can you mention the imperative sentence? Kalimat perintah.
Was the fruit.
Wash the fruit and then
Cut the vegetable.
cut the vegetable. Sophie? Ayo. Alma bisa dibantu.
Cut the onion.
Cut the onion.
Mix the milk.
Mix the milk.
Slice the fruit.
Slice the fruit. Ya, seperti itu. And then in procedural text we use action verb.
Yes.
Kata kerja yang menunjukkan kata kerja. For example, cut,
Make.
make, and then
Take.
terus cook, ya. And then what else?
Bake.
Sudah.
Rinse.
Rinse, mencuci. Terus apalagi? Peel, mengupas. Peel the orange, mengupas jeruk. And then the last is conjunction. Contohnya conjunction, next. Biasanya ini di step. The first is cut the vegetable, like that. Contoh conjunction. Second, next. Terus apa lagi? What else?
Then.
After.
After that. Finally, like that. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. And then it is the example of procedural text. The goal is how to make orange juice. Can you give the example of the goal, the other goal? Selain how to make orange juice.
How to make a pizza?
Pizza, yes. Coffee. Terus kalau how to operate laptop. Terus apa lagi?
Handphone.
How to operate handphone, like that.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
And then the step to make an orange juice. What is it? Apa aja itu?
Ingredients.
Yes, ingredients. I mean ingredients. The ingredients. Orange, and then
Sugar.
yeah,
Ice cube.
ice cup.
Ice cup.
Ice cup. No problem. And then for the step, the first is
Rinse the orange.
rinse the orange. In the first step, which one is conjunction? Conjunctionnya yang first. And then the imperative sentence. Di step 1, imperative sentence.
Rinse the orange.
Yes, rinse the orange. And then the second step is
Peel the orange and slice.
peel the orange and slice. Jadi orange-nya diapakan? Dikupas lalu dipotong. Ya. And then the third,
Blender the sliced orange and add sugar and ice cube as ice cup on it.
Oke, jadi jeruknya diapakan?
Dimasukkan ke blender. Potongan jeruknya dimasukkan ke blender.
Ya.
Terus dimasukkan gula dan juga kotak es batu.
Ya. Betul. And then the last is
Blend until all becomes smooth.
ya, di blender sampai halus. Ya. Conjunction di contoh ini apa aja? First, terus apa aja?
Second,
Third, and then finally. Mention action verb in this example. Rinse, blend, peel, slice, yeah, like that. Now please look at the activity 2. Before we going to the activity 2, do you have any question?
No.
No?
No.
Yeah. Please look at your activity 2. There are a procedural text. What is the goal of the procedural text?
How to make
How to make apa?
fruit salad.
How to make fruit salad. Can you read the procedural text, Sophie? Yeah.
Ingredients.
The ingredients.
Step. Oh, ingredients. Apple.
Ingredients: apple,
Papaya.
papaya,
Melon.
melon,
Watermelon.
mhm,
Milk.
milk,
Yogurt.
yogurt,
Cheese.
cheese. For the tools,
Toast.
knife,
Bowl.
bowl,
Spoon.
spoon,
Grater.
grater. Ada yang tahu grater itu apa?
What is grater?
Parutan.
Oh.
Parutan yang buat parut keju gitu.
Yeah.
And then who wants to read the step of how to make fruit salad? Ya, Alma?
The first pieces of fruit that has been prepared.
Ya, piece of fruit that has been prepared. Jadi, fruitnya diapakan?
Diiris kotak-kotak.
Ya, diiris kotak-kotak, diirisi kecil-kecil gitu ya.
Yeah.
Terus the second step,
Put the fruits into the bowl.
and then
Pour the yogurt and milk in a bowl.
ya,
Mix with the fruits that have been sliced.
after that,
The last give topping by grating the cheese.
oke, right. Jadi setelah dipotong diapakan fruitnya?
Ditaruh di dalam mangkok.
After that,
Kasih apa yogurt?
ya dikasih yogurt
Sama susu.
sama susu, terus
Dicampur.
dicampur.
Diaduk jadi satu.
Setelah itu final stepnya apa?
Dikasih topping keju.
Keju. Jadilah
Fruit salad.
fruit salad. Understood ya?
Yes.
Gampang kan?
Iya.
Pingin.
Oke. Now please look at here. I have to picture like this. Water and pen. Can you imagine what I want to make with water and pen?
Make a tea.
Make a tea. Bisa jadi. If I add the picture with instant noodle and plate.
Make an instant noodle.
Yeah, make an instant noodle. I think all of you know how to make instant noodle, right?
Yes.
Ada yang tahu nggak? Ada yang pernah bikin instant noodle?
Pernah.
Pernah, sering ya?
Yes.
Keseringan.
Okay. From the ingredients, instant noodle of course, and then apa lagi tadi? Ingredients. Instant noodle. Water.
Bumbu.
After that,
Plate.
plate.
Sini.
Terus apa lagi?
Pen.
Pen.
Oh, pen.
Pen. Diingat-ingat pen.
Pen.
Apa itu pen?
Panci.
Ya, panci. Jangan sampai lupa ya. Let's look at the picture. This is a step to make an instant noodle. The first is,
Boil some water in a pan.
yeah, boil some water in a pan. After that,
Add the instant noodle.
add the instant noodle. After, while cooking,
Pour the seasoning in a pan. In a plate.
pour the seasoning in a plate. Apa itu seasoning?
Bumbu.
Bumbu, ya, pinter. After that,
Dry
Ini apa,
the
yo?
noodle. Tiriskan mie.
Tiriskan mie. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Tiriskan mie, ayo.
Drain the noodle.
Drain the noodle. Can you spell drain the noodle?
D-R-A-I-N.
Ya. D-R-A-I-N. Drain. Apa?
Drain.
Drain. After that,
Mix with the seasoning.
mix with the seasoning. Apanya yang dimix?
Bumbu dan minyak.
Ya, bumbu dan minyak. After that,
Serve it.
serve it. Oke. Gampang kan? Any question?
No.
No.
All of you can make a procedural text? Yes?
Yes.
Bisa ya?
Yes.
So now please write your procedural text up to you. You want to make something or you want to do something, to operate something, up to you. Please write. I will give you 15 minutes to write. Okay?
Yes.
What do you want to make, Sophie?
Sandwich.
What do you want to make, Alma? I want to make oh, yang lagi viral itu ya? Yes. Ini apa aja? Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, now I will call you one by one to present your procedural text in front of the class. And the other students, you have to listen carefully. I will ask you about your friend's procedural text. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay. Alma, can you come forward?
My procedure text. How to make dalgona coffee. Ingredients: a tablespoon of coffee, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of hot water and milk. The step: first, put in all of the ingredients in a bowl except milk. Second, stir it until foamy. After that, pour milk in a glass. Then add the coffee foam on the top of milk. Serve it.
Okay. How many steps that Alma have to make a dalgona coffee? Please raise your hand.
4.
4. Is it right, Alma?
No.
How many steps?
5.
5. Steps.
Sorry.
How many ingredients that Alma have? Raise your hand.
4.
Yeah, 4. Is it right, Alma?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
4.
4.
Can you mention what are the coffee,
Sugar.
sugar,
Hot water.
hot water,
Milk.
milk? Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Gampang ya?
Wah, kamu salah.
To refresh your mind. From the first until now, what do you learn? Apa?
Make a something.
Make a something. Namanya apa itu?
Procedure text.
Ya, procedure text. How many generic structure in procedure text? Sarah? Yes, Sophie? Louder, please. How many generic structure in procedural text? Generic structure. Ayo yang tadi, baru tadi. How many generic structure in procedural text?
3.
Three. What are they?
Goal.
Ya,
Material.
materials,
Step.
steps. How many language feature in procedural text? Language feature. Yang tadi
3.
three. What are they?
Using imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence,
Action verb.
action verb, and then
Conjunction.
conjunction. Please mention 3 example of imperative sentence.
Wash
Yeah.
the fruit.
Was the fruit,
Cook the noodle.
cook the noodle, and then
Mix the milk.
mix the milk. Give the 3 example of action verb. Yeah, Sophie.
Wash.
Wash,
Make.
make, and then
Cook.
cook. And mention 3 conjunction. Yeah.
First.
First,
Second.
second,
Next.
next,
Then.
then, yeah. Good. Give the example of goal. How to make, how to operate,
How to make a pizza.
how to make a pizza, and then,
How to make a coffee.
yeah, how to make a coffee. Ada lagi, how to operate
How to operate a handphone.
handphone. Ya, betul. Right. And for next week, please still study about procedural text.
Yes.
You have to make a video from procedural text, and after that you upload in YouTube.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Next week we will present your video and give a comment.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
See you.